Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I've kind of went inconsistent again, but I actually just started a new job. I just finished my first week. Kind of tied up this week with that, but I want to show you kind of an update video on the vet since I haven't posted a whole lot about it. We've been doing a lot of Mustang stuff and even some Ram stuff, but I've actually got a lot of progress done on the vet. I didn't video it, mainly because in some of the videos I do how-tos, and this was one of those things I've been learning as I go. I've never picked up a paint gun really before I started on this car. I painted a couple pieces on the Mustang, but to take on a project like I showed you on the paint reveal of this magnitude, I wanted to make sure I could do it. And I got a lot of trash in there, and I watched a lot of videos on like sanding the clear coat and then paint correcting it and buffing it and stuff like that. I actually did that, and it actually turned out pretty good. So in this video, all this is going to be is an update video to show you where we're at on the vet, because I've got a lot done since you guys have seen it last. So I'm going to go ahead and just start at the front of the car. Front of the car really hasn't changed a whole lot. I've got the VooDoo blue engine covers just sitting on there. We have not did anything on the front because I'm still waiting on my hood. So I haven't even started on the front bumper or the two wide body fenders. That is a stock hood, but we have an RK Sport Whipple Supercharger cow hood on the way that will be here sometime between now and I'm hoping 2022, because I ordered this back in October. It is now January the 15th and I still do not have this hood. I did go ahead, I pulled the doors off and we had the door painted. Quarter panel is painted, hatch is painted, rear bumper is painted. I have wet sanded and buffed all of this, which turned out pretty amazing for my first time ever doing it. Like you don't see a whole lot of orange peel in where the lights are or anything. Let me reach in here. And we did door jams and everything, did the inside of the doors. Everything is painted the way that it is supposed to be. And as you can see, the interior is mostly back in the car. These are the same seats that I had before, but I did spray dye the middle of them black just to get me by until I can figure out something on seats. We did put the black carpet in, and underneath the black carpet, I used a thing called Kill Mat. It's basically a Dynamat alternative, I guess. Does the same thing, except it was a little bit cheaper from eBay, but it took forever to get in. It took like 3 weeks, I believe, but it came through USPS, and it is taking forever for anything to ship through there. So like I said, the interior is pretty much in. Door jams, like I said, are painted. I have not color sanded and buffed these, and as you can see, there is still some trash and stuff in these, but that will be done before the car is finished. Also, if anybody has ebony emergency door handle releases, please leave it in the comments below, an email address or something that I can buy them off of you, because I cannot find them anywhere. Coming to the back of the car, like I said, I went ahead and painted the rear bumper. It is completely done. I do have the taillight harnesses stuck through because I do have new taillights laying over there. I will show you guys those in the next video. I don't have the quarter panel done over here, and I don't have this door on, nor do I have this door painted, but this door jamb is completely painted. These seats came out really, really good. I mean, for the spray dye. Like I said, it was tan in the middle, and then these are the factory black seats, and it still has the tan stitching, which doesn't look horrible, surprisingly enough, but I do want some aftermarket seats of some sort. I just don't know which ones we're going to go with. I'm looking at the Brahms, but I'm also looking at a couple different ones just because, I don't know, I think as aggressive as this car is going to look, I just feel like, I don't know, I just want a sportier seat. Those seats aren't very sporty. They don't have big bolsters on the side to hold you in place or anything. Yeah, seat suggestions down in the comments below. What seats do you think we should put in it? Now, as far as a wing goes, you guys seen in another video that I do have, I think this is from Spoiler Kings on eBay. I did paint it gloss black. I was going to use it, but a company actually reached out to me, and we're going to be working together on this car. So I'm going to have a new spoiler for the back of the car coming in very, very soon, and we'll do a video on it just of itself. It's going to change the whole back end of the car. The spoiler is very aggressive. This car is going to be aggressive, so it works out perfectly. But just let me step back and kind of give you just this is a pretty good idea of what the car is going to look like. Like I said, I can't do any of the front end until the hood comes on, so I can bolt everything on, make sure the body gaps are fine before I start sanding and painting on those. So hopefully that hood comes, but this is the car as it sits right now. This color is amazing. The paint is amazing. Typically don't get very proud of myself for things, but I'm kind of proud that I've done all of this by myself, because that's one thing I wanted to learn how to do, was to do pretty much everything on this car by myself without really having to rely on anyone else. So guys, that is going to be it for this video. I know this was just kind of random and all over the place, but I wanted to give you an update on the vet since so many things have got done since you guys have seen it. So guys, if you don't care, go down below, hit that thumbs up button. Apparently it does help these videos. We did hit 4K finally. Took like 2 weeks past when I really wanted to. I really wanted to get to 10K a little bit faster than we got to 4K. So if you're watching this, go down. Also, hit that big red subscribe button. Help me get there. We are going to be rolling this year. Now that I've got the new job and settled in, I'm going to be rolling out Corvette, Mustang, and everything else content. I'm gonna start filming pretty much everything that we're doing. So I'm just gonna keep throwing content on this channel. Hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully it doesn't get too aggravating seeing a new video every 2-3 days. But if you guys wanna kind of get a sneak peek, and it's pretty much what I've been doing on the Vet since I haven't posted a whole lot of videos on it, head over to my Instagram, give me a follow. I usually post the stories on there, and it kind of gives you a good behind the scenes look. What I'm gonna leave you with today, I'm gonna give you a little montage of pretty much everything that I've been doing, because I have filmed some little clips of me painting the doors and stuff like that. So I'll leave you guys with that little musical montage. Like I said, be sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.